Really nice figures. I'm hoping to actually get a hold of the Zeo Pink next, which will have the whole collection for me. But just thought I would share that. Hope you guys enjoyed it.